DeweyGooey.com has all these
Good job.
tactile things you can
And
do.
they do about.
And I've got it
And
back
about.
here.
Oh, you got it.
I've got it
Okay.
back here for you.
I'm writing down that song.
You'll sing it in
I
your
got
sleep,
tippy
believe
tap,
me.
tippy tap. Watch me do my tippy tap. So I
I'll
got it.
remember this.
Watch me do my tippy tap. And you can too. You can do anything to twinkle, twinkle if you'd rather do it to that. So do it with your toes.
Yay! Woohoo!
You're
We're gonna have
going
to
to
go
be a
get you some
good.
tap shoes, baby girl.
Tippy tap, tippy tap, tippy tap,
Do my tippy tap.
tippy tap, tippy tap.
Watch me do my tippy tap. She gets so happy. You're silly.
And heels.
Okay, we're gonna go
Heel,
heel and
step.
heel and step. This is our heel. It's back here.
Do your heel.
Heel. So we're gonna lift up our toes.
Heel.
And step. Heel and step. Yay!
She knows she did it because she got a big smile.
Take a break.
Call it a break.
Can you do the heel? Do
Huh?
your heel now.
Okay, heel comes up.
The back. Back of your foot.
Heel and step. Do it again. Lift your toes up. Heel and step. You do it one time all by yourself. Heel. Good. Step. Okay. Nice job. Take a bow. Woo!
Can you take a bow? Can you take a bow?
I'm going to take a bow.
Bow.
I will take
I'm going to
picture.
take a bow.
I am.
Lexi, Bianca has you on video. Will you break it down for her so she can put it on her video?
Can you take a picture?
Lexi's taking a picture of you. She has you on video.
She
So-
wants you to dance.
She wants you to dance. There you go. Break it down. Break it down. There you go. Pretty. Thank you. Did you get it?